Okay, get going. Buckle up and start rolling.
You're gonna show this to Mom?
Yes. Honey, Matthew wants to check the gas. He's checking the gas under the hood. He's got the hood raised and he's checking for gas. Checking the fuel. Just put the hood down, honey. Guys, be careful with it. Matty, that's good. That's down. Oh, wrong way, buddy. Sit down, Matt. Sit down. Matty, sit down. Sit down, please. Matthew, please sit down. Thank you. Now put your seatbelt on. Turn around. Do it by yourself, buddy. You can do it. Turn around. Turn around, buddy. Oh, goodness. So, kiss. So,